In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to layer masking. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window, then choose layer panel. Then background layer copy. Alter delete to apply foreground color black. Then select background erase tool. And tolerance we keep first time 30. For the white edge, we increase tolerance 15. Select lasso tool. Right click, apply a layer mask. And change any color. Select quick selection. Alt plus hold to decrease selection. Go to Photoshop menu bar, select option Modify to Feather. Use 0.5. Ctrl J, layer copy and drag the layer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.